MaSpecial say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa goroga subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. MaSpecial Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya yabuditwa former military intelligence officer vaneva MaSpecial say avabuda pastora President Emerson NaMnangagwa is planning to eliminate his political rivals. Vabuda pastora achita zvinomira mushe muma weeks nemamanza arikuuya kuchaita a mass slaughter apo prominent politicians akatargetwa kuuraiwa muri Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi NaKasukuwere pakuti nawo Mzembe vari kunzi varikufanira kuurayirwa mota dzavo kana kuti mudzimba dzavo. Zvakare zviri kunzi Vice President Chiwenga pamwechete navarugedye pamwechete namasanyatwe NaKasukuwere naNelson Chamisa, and they must be neutralized muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziye kuti nyaya yechokwadi here kana kuti kwatiri kuita zviri kunzi this operation yekueliminate marivals aPresident Emerson NaMnangagwa iri kutungamirirwa naGeneral Moyo avo the military intelligence department ava faction iri aligned to the Mnangagwa family. Vakabuda vachiposta on his X handle vaneva MaSpecial say vachitaura vachiti blood is now literally on the floor, with various hit teams having been tasked to carry out the mass slaughter of the coming weeks and months. The South African contingent of NaKasukuwere and Mzembe must be found dead in their cars or burnt in their houses. MaSpecial say the specific details of the operation are that Chiwenga, Rugedye, Sanyatwe, Kasukuwere, Mzembe, and Nelson Chamisa must be neutralized as soon as possible to prevent the potential whirlwind that seems to be tormenting in Mnangagwa in his dreams daily. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa's operation to eliminate rivals is being led by General Moyo of the military intelligence department faction aligned to the dynasty cabal. Neva MaSpecial say muri Zimbabwe tikazoti tinoona sei nyaya iyi ingava iri chokwadi here kana kuti. Kutaura kwatiri kuita, there's a fresh accident yakaitika recently apo varugedye mota yavo yakabva vhiri. Vanhu vakabuda vachispekulata kuti he was targeted, aida kuassassinatwa muri Zimbabwe. Accident iyi runzi yakaitika kuMount Pleasant, yakaitika mushure mekunge one of mavhiri emota yavo akabva muri Zimbabwe, zvakapotsa zvakonzeresa kuti mota yavo iwanikwe ichioverturna. So my sources are close to the matter akareveala kuti the vehicle yakasevwa from kuflipa payakarovera padombo, zvakasiya varugedye, a prominent political figure in both military and political spheres, vari vapenyu ende vasina kukuvara. Though attempts akaitwa kuti this accident iwanikwe ichiwandiswa, masources ari within ZANU-PF akabuda achiconfirm accident iyoyo. Varugedye pavakacontactwa vakareply vachitaura ivo vachiti ndiani akanga abudisa information iyoyo before varamba kucomenta further. Zvisinei mapictures emota yavari kucirculata pasocial media iyo yamuri kuona iri apo. Zvisinei fatal accident yakaitika mushure mekunge pane the death of an air commodore Peter Zimondi and Director General of Administration in the Air Force of Zimbabwe avo vakaitawo accident vakashaika this month. VaZimondi avo vari a powerful figure within the military vakasakamba to injuries from a suspicious road accident yakaitika muna July. So vakaspenda weeks vari intensive care kusvika pavakazowanikwa vachifa. Kushaikwa kwavo kwakakonzera speculations and pamusoro pema-growing internal conflicts arimo mucountry within the military and political elites muri Zimbabwe. So vaenja Rugedye vari kunzi he was a key ally of Vice President Chiwenga, and zvakare vari kunzi played a pivotal role coup yakaitika mugore ra2017 iyo yakakonzerwa President Robert Mugabe vawanikwa vachibviswa pachigaro. So at the time Rugedye vari kunzi he was part of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces leadership iyo yakaorchestrata the Operation Restore legacy a military intervention aimed at removing Robert Mugabe from power. So rumors are kubuda arunzi iwo Rugeje vaida kuassassinate in order to weaken Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Yakabuditswa nezimai vachitora vachiti retired Army General and ZANU-PF Politburo member Njobet Rugeje narrowly escaped death after a mysterious car accident in Harare. The accident, which occurred in Mount Pleasant, involved one of the wheels of his vehicle suddenly flying off, nearly causing the car to overturn. Sources close to the matter revealed that the vehicle was saved from flipping over when it hit rocks, leaving Rugeje, a prominent figure in both the military and political spheres, shaken but unharmed. Though attempts have been made to keep the accident under wraps, sources within ZANU-PF confirmed the incident. When contacted, Rugeje expressed surprise, replying, "Who gave you this information? Where did you get that?" before refusing to comment further. This near-fatal accident follows the mysterious death of Air Commodore Peter Zimondi, Director General of Administration in the Air Force of Zimbabwe, earlier this month. Zimondi, a powerful figure within the military, succumbed to injuries from a suspicious road accident in July, having spent weeks in intensive care. His passing has intensified speculation about growing internal conflicts within the country's military and political elite. Njobet Rugeje, a key ally of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, played a pivotal role in the 2017 coup that led to the ousting of long-time ruler Robert Mugabe. At the time, Rugeje was part of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces leadership, which orchestrated Operation Restore Legacy, a military intervention aimed at removing Mugabe from power and installing NaMnangagwa as president. Rugeje's military background made him a central figure in the coup's execution. Following Mugabe's removal, Rugeje was appointed as ZANU-PF's National Political Commissar in 2018. However, his tenure was short-lived, and in 2019 he was replaced by a war veteran, Victor Matemadanda. Matemadanda was later moved to Mozambique as Zimbabwe's ambassador, with Mike Bima assuming the position in 2021. Rugeje's removal from this strategic post is believed to have been part of Mnangagwa's efforts to weaken Chiwenga's military allies within the party. His narrow escape from the recent accident has raised concerns about targeted attacks on senior military figures loyal to Chiwenga, as tensions between Mnangagwa and his deputy continues to escalate. Insiders within the Central Intelligence Organization, CIO, have disclosed that there is an assassination list targeting at least 5 generals, all of whom are said to be aligned with Chiwenga. These officers are reportedly marked for their involvement in the 2017 coup and their continued loyalty to the vice president, who remains a powerful figure in Zimbabwe's military and political landscape. The death of Air Commodore Peter Zimondi has only heightened suspicions. Zimondi, who held his position since 2018, was not only a key figure within the AFZ, but also connected to the powerful Zimondi and Shiri families, both of whom have seen senior members die under suspicious circumstances in recent years. Zimondi's brother, Parazai Zimondi, the former Commissioner General of the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services, and their cousin, the late Air Force Commander Terence Shiri, also died in questionable circumstances during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, with yet another high-ranking military figure involved in a suspicious accident, fears of coordinated effort to eliminate Chiwenga supporters are mounting. The growing spat of accidents and mysterious deaths within Zimbabwe's military elite points to an intensifying power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. Since the 2017 coup, Mnangagwa has systematically sidelined or removed military officers perceived to be loyal to Chiwenga, consolidating his own power base ahead of any potential leadership contest. As the battle for supremacy continues, Mnangagwa is believed to be mobilizing his political allies to prevent Chiwenga from ascending to the presidency. This has placed the generals who played crucial roles in the coup and who remain close to Chiwenga in a vulnerable position, with many now reportedly fearing for their lives. The recent accidents involving Rugecha and Zimondi suggest that the internal conflict within Zimbabwe's ruling elite is far from over, with assassination attempts and targeted killings becoming a new frontier in the fight for control of the country's leadership. Nyaya yaburitswa rezimu muri Zimbabwe tisingazivi kuti munoiona sei. Nyaya iyi ndofunga Susan Mutami akambobuda achipa warning kumagenerals achiti they should check matires avo for mapetrol bombs ari kusetwa imomo. Tisingazivi kuti zviri related here to nyaya iyi kana kuti tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.